What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when you don't have any audio while using After Effects. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First, make sure that your footage and audio clips are not muted in your timeline by enabling the audio when clicking on this audio icon. If you still can't hear your audio, then go to your preview panel. And in case you're unable to find it, navigate to Window, Preview, or use the shortcut Ctrl and 3. On this window, make sure that the Play Audio during Preview is turned on. Next, go to Composition, Preview, and make sure that the audio icon is selected. In case nothing helped you out, then you will have to make some changes to your preferences. Go to Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware. On this window, make sure that your device class is set to MME and set your default output option to the output device you wish to use. Lastly, search for sound in your taskbar search to open up your Audio System Settings window. Here, make sure that your output device is set to the same device you want to use, and make sure that your audio settings are not muted within Windows. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.